As Russia massed its forces on the border prior to its unprovoked invasion of Ukraine, it seemed that the Russian bear was showing its claws and was again a near-peer adversary to fear. Putin's Ukraine invasion is the first time in 80 years that a great power has moved to conquer a sovereign nation. It is without justification, without provocation, and without honor, Mitt Romney said last month after Russia launched its attack. Perhaps Romney was right, even if Russia's performance in Ukraine has shown considerable shortcomings. Russian tanks have been destroyed in ambushes, while others have been reportedly stolen by Ukrainian farmers who have used tractors to tow them away. Russian casualties have mounted, and its combat losses after just 3 weeks have already overtaken Soviet casualties in Afghanistan over a 9-year period beginning in 1979. Russia has also lost as many soldiers in Ukraine as the United States lost in Afghanistan and Iraq since 2001. What is clear is that, even if Russia has shown itself to be more of a paper tiger than a mighty bear, NATO won't, and shouldn't, let its guard down. Across the alliance, member states are increasing defense spending, while Sweden and Finland are moving ever closer to joining the alliance. Officials from the United States Air Force have also made it clear that Russia's setbacks won't give them reason to rethink existing strategy or spending. I don't know that, for me personally, it's really changed my perspective, Air Force Chief of Staff General Charles C.Q. Brown Jr. told reporters March 3 at an Air Force Association conference in Orlando, Air Force Times reported. We will learn more and more to really make an assessment of how we need to think about the Russians in the future, General Brown added. Russia's invasion of Ukraine may have revealed significant problems with its military's logistics, command and control, and even attempts to maintain control of the skies. It might be easy to dismiss Russia given its setbacks in Ukraine, but history offers a reminder that Moscow has overcome far worse. The Soviet Union showed that it was largely unprepared when it launched its assault on Finland in 1939. It faced a determined enemy that it thought it would quickly defeat. Instead, the Winter War dragged on for months, and the Soviets looked weaker for it. That helped convince Nazi Germany that it would quickly roll over the Soviet Red Army, which did take significant losses and faced serious setbacks in the early stages of the Nazi invasion, but the Soviets came back stronger than ever. The United States and NATO would be unwise to believe that Russia isn't still a significant threat. It is a nuclear power, has been more successful than the United States in developing hypersonic weapons, and still has a sizable force of submarines and combat aircraft. Nations often come back stronger from tough fights as the military undergoes reforms to address shortcomings. Russia will learn from its mistakes and possibly even be battle-hardened, albeit battered in the process. Should Russia actually lose in Ukraine, this bear won't be declawed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.